Hi everyone, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. मेरा नाम वाणी है and today I am going to review Vaibhav's new corner at the Chalchitra studio. But it's not a solo picture, that's the problem.
It has to be a solo picture. Like the noise doesn't need to.
You
Again,
just call my father annoying.
spoiler. This is the dialogue with which the show ends.
I'm glad I also made it to the frame.
Yeah.
That too at the center along with Saurabh and Shika.
This is from my birthday or a day before the birthday.
On your
Just,
birthday.
Create first, entrepreneur second. And it's a beautiful line. So it's on those lines only. Ki make before you manage.
I could change the handwriting, but it is a lovely
But this
combination
is not my,
of green
this
and
is
yellow.
not my handwriting.
Is
So
it
either
Saurabh?
This is Saurabh.
Because Saurabh just looked up from the camera.
This is either Saurabh or Vinay.
So we are here.
Yeah.
This is apparently Vaibhav's favorite corner. मैंने आज सुबह इसके सारे quotes पढ़े and I find it very interesting. So we are going to review and talk about, review is the wrong word, but we will talk.
You can review also.
No, वो तो मैं. So we'll be talking about all these quotes and images in detail and how they've influenced Mr. Vaibhav Munjal. A very interesting thing that you'll notice सबसे पहले is तीनों boards में one common thing is the pictures of boyhood,
Yes.
the movie. What do you have to say about it? मतलब हर एक board पे वो क्यों?
In fact, पहले बॉयहुड की और भी ज़्यादा इमेजेस थी बट जो पहले वाला जो मेरा एक घर था तो वहाँ पे आई हैड दीज पोलरॉइड्स. इनफैक्ट ये स्कूल कॉलेज में भी मेरे होती थी. इनकी लाइफ में लाइक जर्नी का ही हमेशा पार्ट रहे थे बट इन द स्टूडियो ये साइड में पड़ी रहती थी. सो व्हेन आई मेड दिस कॉर्नर आई वांटेड टू लाइक पुट ऑल ऑफ दीज. जो भी आपको ये अच्छे वाले पोस्टर्स दिख रहे हैं ना, these are here because of Ritvik.
Inherent Vice, her,
Yeah.
Boyhood and this is one of my favorite posters.
Yeah. So Ritvik के साथ मैंने ये बहुत सारे और posters निकाले थे. Who didn't make it to this place?
Oh,
So
Better
this is
Call
Better
Saul
Call
did not
Saul.
make it.
There's Melancholia. Succession did not make it.
Boyhood के दो posters हैं हमारे.
There's
दो photographs.
2001 Space Odyssey.
Nice.
Then there's Eyes Wide Shut. There's Better Call Saul. Quality कितनी अच्छी है इनकी.
Yeah, nice.
Then there is a Climax. Then ये ऋत्विक की एक पिक्चर है डुक डुक. Then this is from Burning, one of my favorite films. And ये ऑल इंडिया रैंक लिए वरुण ग्रोवर के एपिसोड के लिए हमने निकाला था. These are the ones जो मेरे पास है, मैं लगाना चाहता था. So मैं थोड़ा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Like yellow everywhere. अगर यहाँ रेड है यहाँ भी रेड होना चाहिए. एंड मैंने सो थोड़ा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन वाली करने की चीज़ की. बॉयहुड से ये सारा स्टार्ट हुआ था. इनिशियल जो इसकी एक दो इटरेशंस थी जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ बॉयहुड. देन फिर मैंने रिवर्स इंजीनियर किया.
Then you got Ray Bradbury,
या
her. I'm glad I also made it to the frame.
Yeah.
That too at the center along with Saurabh and Shika.
दिस इज फ्रॉम माय बर्थडे और अ डे बिफोर द बर्थडे व्हेन हम लोग
Yeah, it's a day before it's on your
Just,
birthday. Tell us about your favorite quote on this. I mean, I am pretty certain it will be difficult to pick up. But if you were to pick up one quote, which one would it be from here?
Good question. Yeah, actually, Vani, मैं बताऊँ, like everyone should do stuff like this. So when I wake up in the morning and when I'm having my coffee and I look at it, so it's a very surgical thing that I have done. I know exact impact that all of these quotes have on me. इनफैक्ट हम जो बेस्ट ऑफ स्ट्रीम्स करते हैं, आप नोटिस करना, आप जब भी मेरे नोशन पे जाओगे, हमेशा पिछले 2000 साल से हम जब से कर रहे हैं, हर महीने मैं बहुत सारे मेरे फेवरेट कोट्स करता हूँ. देन आई हैड ऑल द फेवरेट कोट्स ट्रांसफर्ड टू वन प्लेस सो दैट इट्स जस्ट अनदर PDF ऑफ कोट्स because I live and breathe like a lot of quotes. So I knew कि surgically मेरे लिए क्या क्या work करते हैं. Like every quote has a certain impact. One thing I was very sure of was I wanted these quotes to be kind of work related which helped me in regard to growth. So just I like to talk a lot about relationships also, emotions also, emotional well-being also. But अगर आपको इस पे emotional well-being भी दिखाई देगी, it is work related. It's like how can you be like a better version of yourself. So not a lot of ki stay in silence, पहाड़ों में चले जाओ. Just like कि work wise what would help me the most. इसमें like if you notice there are a lot of Sam Altman quotes.
Yeah.
So जो how to be successful वाला वो है.
And numbered, like number 2, number 9.
So there is number 9. Be willful, have almost too much self-belief. This is from another Sam Altman.
Yeah.
get back up, keep going. This is one, compound yourself. मैं आपको बताता हूँ मेरा latest edition क्या है. This is my latest edition. यहाँ से एक boy out का poster शहीद हुआ था. Because so this is Jerry Seinfeld has decided. I think he's in his 60s or 70s and he has decided to make a film. And then someone asked him कि यार it's पैसा वैसा आगे अब क्यों कर रहे हो? Then he says because the only thing in life really worth having is a good skill. It's the greatest possession. Pursue mastery that will fulfill your life. You will feel good. So ये मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया था. So I added this. This is the one जो मैंने सबसे पहले लगाया था because it has kind of been like a north star to me whenever I am confused. The challenge is not to survive, anyone can do it. The challenge is to survive as yourself, undiminished. Dude, you will be surprised मेरे को ये idea कहाँ से मिला. I got this idea from Kendall Jenner's video. So Kendall Jenner का शायद जय शेट्टी के साथ कोई podcast था where they were discussing how you should have a photo of your inner child very, very close to you.
I do a lot of like inner child work with my therapist, and she was like, why don't you find like a photo of yourself and put it on your bathroom mirror so that every morning, every night, every day when you walk into your bathroom mirror, you're looking at her and you're remembering that if you're ever being mean to yourself, you're talking about her.
Because then you are doing things for that person. So Kendall Jenner has a similar photo of hers in her bathroom. Maybe my photo also, I don't know. But ये idea वहाँ से आया था. तो ये पहले studio के दूसरे वाले room में होती थी. But since when I made this, so the idea was always have the inner child close to you. Which is something you should also do. I'm telling you these things really work.
If you haven't noticed, I already have one.
Which one? कहाँ पे?
But it's not a solo picture. That's the problem.
हाँ, it has to be a solo picture. Like the noise doesn't need to be.
You just call my father annoying. But no, this is.
So this was also पहले से for the community. हमारा जो video था.
Yeah.
Why चलचित्र talks is a failure. उस video में हमने ये for the community लगाया था.
I could change the handwriting, but it is a lovely
combination
of green and yellow.
This is not my handwriting.
Is it Saurabh?
This is Saurabh.
Because Saurabh just looked up from the camera.
This is either Saurabh or Vinay.
I have noticed like overall theme in most of the posts here is how you have to keep the spark inside of you alive.
Yes.
For example, you take this quote by Elia Kazan that you have to survive as yourself undiminished. Or you take this quote, what if changing the world was just about being here by showing up no matter how many times we get told we don't belong. Then there is when Virginia Woolf said, the only cure to the devastating human condition is to immerse yourself in your little obsessions. What is your relation to this theme?
If you summarize the whole thing, you'll see 4 or 5 like very influential things in it. A lot of Sam Altman, a lot of Ray Bradbury, a lot of Richard Linklater. Because even if I don't connect with Richard Linklater the way I used to, but he has been a part of the journey, and you shouldn't. वो शाहरुख खान का dialogue है ना, जैसे जैसे success आने लगी, don't forget the people जिनकी वजह से आप पहुँचे हो वहाँ पे. Then you'll see a lot of Tim Ferriss also. So make before you manage is a thing
this
that
is a
like
great quote.
Yeah, a lot of creative entrepreneurs out there. This is Sahil Lavania का भी मैंने एक बार उसकी learning देखी थी. Particularly in the entertainment field, sometimes we can get like too engrossed into running companies and all. So उसके मैंने एक line मैंने एक चलचित्र की website पे भी है मेरे एक article में. Create first, entrepreneur second. And it's a beautiful line. So it's on those lines only. कि make before you manage. Because फिर उसी का आर्टिकल का एक ही लाइन है, द साइकोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस बिटवीन 0 acts of creation and 1 act of creation, no matter how small, is impossible to overstate. Vani, there has been days when like I will look at it and I'll create something. Like अभी जैसे कुछ दिन पहले I made a short film because वही है कि कहीं ना कहीं वही है कि जैसे अपन भी आज सुबह से सोच रहे थे कुछ बनाना है ना, I'd been like यार one other idea work नहीं कर रहा, but यार like चलो let's do it because उसका साइकोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा underestimated है दुनिया में. And you asked me for my favorite quote. I think in one of my the lowest moments, this is the one I go back to a lot. मैंने मेरा basically एक gift खराब कर दिया on my birthday. I got a card set जहाँ पे हर TV show character के like वो थी, but like मैंने 2-3 यहाँ लगा दिया. So this is from Mr. Robot.
Yeah, and
then there is Sopranos also. And this is basically spoiler. This is the dialogue with which the show ends. And the way it comes in, because then you realize a lot of things about the main character, and the way you were looking at the show, you realize आप पूरे शो में कुछ और दिख रहे थे एंड देन यू रियलाइज कि ये क्या है. इट्स अबाउट कि हाउ यू नीड टू शो अप एंड द बेस्ट वर्जन्स because those are the versions that take you home. So this quote is there. In fact, I have only 4 or 5 downloaded videos in my like YouTube playlist. जब flight में जो देखना होता है उनमें से 4 बॉयलर रूम होंगे और एक ये वाला सीन है.
I also really like this quote. If you repeated what you did today 365 more times, will you be where you want to be next year?
This one is very interesting. So when I took these printouts, मैंने PDF बनाई हुई थी मेरे favorite quotes की. So उनमें से भी कुछ ज़्यादा favorite थे. तो जब मैंने कैंची चलाना चालू करी थी तो ये वाला ना बहुत सारे यहाँ पड़े रह गए थे और ये मेरा बन गया था कि कितना cool लग रहा है everything is like. और ये कोट वहाँ से मेरे को दिखता रहता था. If you repeated what you did today 364 times, believe me. मैंने कहा यार ये impact तो डाल रहा है तो मे बी इसको थोड़ा अपग्रेड करके यहाँ डाल.
I also really like this by Filio Augusti.
Oh, this is a good one.
When you start working, everybody is in your studio. The past, your friends, enemies, the art world, and above all, your own ideas. All are there. But if you continue painting, they all start leaving one by one, and you are left alone. Then, if you are lucky, even you leave.
This is so good. You enter the final stage of
I have goosebumps.
Yeah, this is really good.
I also like this. It's only through disruption that we can be normal again.
Definitely. Dude, I made the whole thing when I was not going through a very happy phase.
Got it.
So I was like, okay, what are the things which like help me get in the flow? And this line, ये बोल्ड ऐसे कहीं थी नहीं. जब मैंने गूगल डॉक में डॉक्यूमेंट डाला था मैंने इसको बोल्ड किया था.
No, we understand.
And then मैंने इसको और हाईलाइट किया कि it's only through disruption that we can be normal again. Conscious heavy breathing teaches us to be the pilots of our autonomic nervous systems and our bodies.
Not the passengers. I really like this also. I want to feel all there is to feel. It reminds me of a Sylvia Plath quote. She's written in her diary that I just wish somebody would understand me. I want to be everything all at once. I want to be that mother who take. I'm paraphrasing it very badly, guys.
यहाँ तक तो सही था. ये तो मैंने exact सुना.
It's I want to be a teacher. I want to be a mother. I want to be a hooker. I want to be. She goes on to describe the worst of jobs in the world. She says I want to feel everything and I want to do it deeply.
You know, you mentioned this one. जो मेरा life का greatest reading moment है because one of the most influential books in my life has been Dandelion Wine. And Dandelion Wine का ये में आता है dialogue and I still remember the way the light was falling that day, the way when I read it because I was reading Dandelion Wine on a PDF. So there was an era of my life when I was just reading PDFs because मैंने Reddit पे एक thread ढूंढ लिया था which are the some of the वहीं से मैंने I discovered Bradbury I think through Reddit. So when I read it and I'm like कि बच्चा होता है वो गिर जाता है एक this whole book is about nostalgia. And वो गिर जाता है like he feels the grass and all and he suddenly realizes he's alive and I'm like holy shit.
Oh my god.
बहुत crazy.
You know, this reminds me of another thing. I have to share. There's this book that I love only because of what you said. There's a moment where that kid realizes he's alive. I'll give you a backdrop. The entire book is set in a war. वो जब सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर हो रहा था तो पोलैंड में अंडरग्राउंड बहुत लोग छुप छुप के वॉर्स करते थे. लाइक दे वर स्ट्राइकिंग एट हिटलर, राइट? एंड देर इज़ दिस किड जो 9-10 साल का था. वो घर से उसे भगा दिया था उसकी मम्मा ने बिकॉज इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू आवर्स द मिलिट्री वॉज विजिटिंग एंड दे वर गोइंग टू बी ऑल शॉट और किल्ड. तो उसे भगा देते हैं and he starts living in the jungle. He doesn't know if his family is alive or whatever and he's never really known love now because he's 9 and he's growing older. So he's just trying to survive every day in the jungle. And then there is one night where he visits the neighboring village and वहाँ पे बच्चे उसी की तरह जो बच्चे हैं वो आग सेक रहे हैं and उसे एक बच्चा सुनाई देता है जो वायलिन पकड़ के बैठा हुआ है. एंड बिकॉज उसके अभी अभी पेरेंट्स की डेथ हुई है, ही इज़ लॉस्ट हिज फैमिली, एवरीबडी ही न्यू, एवरी person he loved, he's lost them and now he's afraid he's going to die and the only thing that he's left is now a violin and he's playing it. And in that moment that kid realizes, fuck, I want to live life. I want to, because that music has such a profound impact on him that he realizes life can be good. Wow. And this is the reason why I want to live.
Beautiful.
And this is what it means to be
Bro,
alive.
these things stay with us like क्योंकि the subconscious effect of these things like is really high. Yeah man, the way you discover like remember this, it's the same thing.
For you
as
then.
Yeah.
I think the best of moments are the ones where you discover something and it just hits you, and that's when you remember the moment.
Yeah. I also want to tell you कि और मैंने इसमें क्या क्या करने की कोशिश की थी. I think Vani really likes this.
I
one.
really like this one.
This actually came from a Netflix gift. So Netflix ने हमें last दिवाली पे कुछ गिफ्ट दिए थे. So there was a small package in it where there were a lot of handmade things. उसके ऊपर ये लिखा हुआ था.
It says, be a good person, drink plenty of water, be kind to others and to the planet, work hard but not too hard, make time for yourself, always take the scenic route, eat fresh food, get lots of sleep, make your bed, lose your ego. If you want something, go out and get it.
So ये मेरे लिए सबसे एंटी ग्रोथ कोट है पूरे के पूरी वॉल पे. ये पहले फ्लिक्स पे होता था एक्चुअली, और इसको भी मैं देखता था कि डज इट डिजर्व टू बी ऑन द हॉल ऑफ फेम, बट देन आई पुट इट बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स काइंड ऑफ ग्राउंड यू कि ओ अच्छा पानी तो पीना है. तो इसका वन.
What's the story of this one?
So Disha on my birthday gave me a lot of magnetic bookmarks. So it's one of the bookmarks. So it's a bookmark.
And it's magnetic.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's very pretty.
Yeah.
Why have you selected this to be on your board? I mean, I know we are the best people, but
Yeah, I was thinking of crossing your face, but then I'm like, खराब हो जाएगा. No, but like it's a great photo, and मेरे पास photos like.
I just want to hear my praise, Vaibhav, please.
अच्छा. No, but like it's a very मतलब इसमें बहुत सारे emotions capture हुए हैं, और ये अगर ढंग से देखोगे तो 3D लगती है मुझे. I'll tell you some of the additions Vinayak has done in it.
Okay.
Because I told Vinayak कि let's like because वो भी देखता रहता था, मैं आके कुछ करता था. So he understood the game, and like he understood without even we discussing, without any communication, he understood what is needed here. So this is done by Vinayak. It's basically a scene from it's not a scene but it's from behind the scenes of Social Network, because हम दोनों देख रहे थे and the same day we both realized it doesn't have Social Network on it, and Social Network is one of my favorite films, and then he put this Social Network. Ari Gold, Entourage, again one of the greatest scenes and one of my favorite characters. Ray Bradbury, I had asked him to put. So this is Ray Bradbury.
What's he holding?
I think it's a globe or something.
Yeah,
It
looks like a globe.
So these three editions were by Vinayak. This is one of the quotes. I think it slightly also sometimes reminds me of you because Virginia Woolf है ना. So Virginia Woolf, पता नहीं क्यों मतलब book है तो पता नहीं कितनी खुश हो गई. मेरे को ये ट्रिक समझ आ रही है कि the only prescription to life is having 1,000 interests. और कुछ नहीं है जीवन में. Then some were like कि हाँ लगाने पड़ेंगे. I think ये किसी का business card है YouTube का, तो it had to be there because YouTube. Then ये चलचित्र का मैंने किसी invoice से काट के लगाया हुआ. किसी invoice से काट के लगाया. And this is a very poor energy one कि if you
If they don't like you for being yourself, be yourself even more.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. Oh, this is I think maybe Taylor Swift. This is Taylor Swift. This is Taylor Swift.
Nice, good man. Green flag right here. Oh, I really like this one also. What you do on your bad days matters more than what you do on your good days. I love this poster and I love this scene of Little Miss Sunshine.
Yeah.
It just reminds me of my chaotic family.
Interestingly, Little Miss Sunshine is not a part of my pocket of stillness. But I love the film.
How dare? तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं है.
I love the film, but it didn't leave a very strong. मतलब I don't think about it a lot. But this poster is so good, so I had to put it. Plus yellows or reds balance हो रहे थे. This area also I'm very proud of.
Where have you gotten this from? Because this area is particularly different from the entire place.
Yeah, so basically क्या हुआ था कि मेरे पास कुछ quotes थे जो वहाँ पड़े होके मेरे को देखते रहते थे, and then I'm like कि कोई सिमेट्री नहीं बैठ रही थी, तो यहाँ मैंने सबकी सिमेट्री हटाई. If you notice वानी, मैंने सबके पिन्स पे भी बहुत कलर का This is a quote that can make some people like really pissed, but I love it because I'm not this person. The average person is so flaky. You can literally just do the things you say you'll do and find yourself in the top 1% of reliability and thoughtfulness. I don't know where it is from, but I really resonated with that.
Going to copy it up.
Then this is Audrey Hepburn बोलने वाला था. Sorry, Andrew Huberman.
Beware anything that delivers.
Beware of anything that delivers high dopamine with minimal effort. Keep the amount of effort scaled with the amount of dopamine. Third is toughness is extremely important. This is again Sam Altman. To success, fortunately, it can be cultivated to a surprising extent. Of all the traits that matter, the return to effort might be highest here. The next is something I think about a lot. Every time I don't want to open Instagram, this is what helps me. Present moment gives you the same thing which you wrongly seek from approval. And the last is, it would be a shame. This is Neil Strauss, by the way. Neil Strauss के बारे में मैंने कभी channels में बात नहीं किया. But there will come a day when I properly talk about Neil Strauss on Kitabin Gardens. It would be a shame to get to the end of your creative life and see long stretches of compulsivity interrupted by brief periods of productivity. When I read it for the first time, I've never been called out like this in my whole life.
Is there something you do not like about this particular thing that irks you?
Nothing. Something irks me about this. So जब मैं यहाँ कीले ठोक रहा था ना, यहाँ दीवार और बाहर निकली हुई है तो कीले अंदर नहीं जा रही थी.
God, it was very annoying.
यहाँ की वही कह रहा हूँ, मैं कीले डाल रहा हूँ लेकिन कीले अंदर नहीं जा रही.
I've been looking at this since I've gotten here and I did not know कि ये वाली कीलें also come in this size.
Yes, so
Because
this
I
is
imagined-
again credits to Vinayak. Like ये हमने यहाँ पे अगर हम planner पे भी अगर एक like focus डालेंगे तो planner पे भी we have like put in like कीले like these.
Nice.
My suggestion to you before we wrap this is have a place like this and like to the viewers who are watching. होता है लोग अपने ऑफिस में जो क्यूबिकल्स होते हैं वहाँ पे भी 4 फोटो लगा देते हैं वगैरह. I think 1 or 2 things don't define you. You need multiple things. Like मेरा कैरेक्टर के बारे में बहुत कुछ इससे पता चल सकता है. Because only Richard Linklater doesn't define me. Only Ask Polly doesn't define me. You need a place जहाँ पे वो जो आपकी जो 28-29 personalities हैं वो सारी आ सके. And then those things are speaking to you. And I'm telling you, अभी मेरा वो phase नहीं आया but this energy high vibration thing is very very real. And because it's like very very well curated to what would make Weber feel better. यहाँ पे सिंपल सी लाइन लिखी है, गेट बैक अप एंड कीप गोइंग. बट आई नो वेयर इट इज़ फ्रॉम. आई नो द सैम अल्टमैन आर्टिकल इट इज़ फ्रॉम वेयर इससे पहले 14 पॉइंट है और मेरे को पता है उस जीवन में बहुत कम बोला है इंसान. अब बोल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ ChatGPT एंड हैविंग टू डू द PR. बट अगर वो आर्टिकल गेट बैक अप एंड कीप गोइंग से एंड हो रहा था ना, दैट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक द ग्रेविटी ऑफ इट. द अदर आइडिया इज कि अभी यहाँ पे फिर लोगों देन जब कोर्स बढ़ जाएंगे तो सेम थिंग है. अभी ये मेरा और वानी का एक पूरा का पूरा हमारा रिचुअल चल रहा है वेयर शी रिव्यूज सम थिंग्स दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट, वेयर आई रिव्यू थिंग्स. और ये वीडियोस काफ़ी वर्क करते हैं. यू नो द हाईएस्ट व्यूड वीडियो ऑन इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ किताबी गैबेज इज द वन जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं था मेरा, वेयर आई रिव्यू योर बुक्स.
We should do a part 2 of this.
Yeah, we should do a part 2 of it. यहाँ पे एक बुक शेल्फ भी है, we can like do it there. But thank you so much for doing this, Vani.
This is really nice. And while you were speaking, Abhi, I realized people, the general public or the fans that know you for Moneyball or
Fuck, is there
Succession.
no Moneyball here?
There's no Succession, there's no Moneyball, there is no, what's the movie? Rockstar. There is no,
Nice.
there is no, what was the
Tamasha.
other one? Tamasha,
There is
yes.
no-
There's no Tamasha, there's no Rockstar.
I think by the end of the line you don't know a person at all.
Yeah,
So basically,
that's why I love the movie All of Us Strangers.
Yeah.
I hope you liked the video, guys. Let us know if you'd like Webov to review my corner or for us to review more corners of stillness, hopefully. And we'll be back with another review video for you
Very, very soon.
very, very soon.